Good morning, everyone. This is Max, and I'm coming to you once again from the Sierra Nevada Aquatic Research Laboratory. This morning, I am going to get out and look for some more birds. So I'm going to take you along and show you what I find with my camera. So let's get started. Got a warbling VIREO over here in the bushes. It's pretty late in the summer, so they've been pretty quiet. But normally, in early summer and late spring, when all the songbirds are singing, these guys have one of the most noticeable calls once you know what their call sounds like. And it's a really pretty call. Yeah, but he's just preening, probably trying to warm up in the early morning air. He's giving us a very good look. And like all vireos, these mostly feed on insects, and they're normally pretty hard to see because they like to hide in like bushes and dense undergrowth. Well, I'm going to leave this guy to it and keep looking for more birds. Okay, over here we have, I believe, a red-naped sapsucker. There's actually another one higher up in the tree too. This one's a lot closer. So these are a type of woodpecker. I think I showed them in one of my other videos, but we didn't get as good of a look as this. They're called sapsuckers because what they do is they'll drill holes into tree branches, just like what they're doing now. And they'll drill just enough that they drill into the layer where the sap is for certain trees. And then that will cause the tree to bleed the sap, where it will just pour out. And then the sapsuckers will suck up all the sap. And that's their main food source. They also do feed on insects and other stuff, but sap is the main component of their diet. That's some sort of bird over there. Not sure what it is. I'll have to put the name down in the description so I get a better idea. We got a green-tailed towhee over there. Yeah, these are one of my favorite birds out here. They have this really cool combination of gray, white, red, and green that helps them blend into the sage scrub, which is their preferred summer habitat. There's another green-tailed towhee up here. Anyway, these are actually migratory. Some towhee species are residential because they don't really fly that far, but these apparently do like to fly that far. And so they'll spend the summer in habitats like this that are mostly covered with sagebrush, and then in the wintertime they will go down to other habitats, including the Sonoran Desert, which I think is kind of cool. But in general, they love these little scrub habitats with really low-lying bushes and that have this green coloration. That's how they blend in. I think we got an orange-crowned warbler in here. Seems to be feeding on some of the flowers or nectar, or maybe even seeds of these plants. They're really a really plain-looking warbler overall, but I like their yellow color. Yeah, he's putting on a good show. He's really foraging a lot. I'm going to leave this guy to it and go look for some more birds. There's another orange-crowned warbler here. Got a spotted towhee over here. There he goes. There's another spotted towhee. Another Brewer's Sparrow up there. On this weird metal thing that I cannot figure out what it is. There he is again. Another Brewer's Sparrow over here. There we go, got another green-tailed towhee. One of my friends has said that the color combination on these birds kind of reminds them of a cocktail, like maybe a martini, I don't know. So if you want to think of these as the cocktail bird, that is totally fine. Yeah, I would say these are definitely one of my favorite birds as far as how they look. I think there's an American robin up here. I'm not sure. I'll put it what it is in this video. Oh, and then we also have over there a sapsucker. I think 2 sapsuckers. Yeah, 2 sapsuckers. And then whatever those birds were, I have no idea. Lots of bird life around here. Another cool thing I didn't mention earlier about the sapsuckers is that when they drill the holes with sap and they're done with their feeding, sometimes the sap will still keep flowing. And it actually provides food to hummingbirds, especially when they're on their migration and there are no flowers around. So sapsuckers are very important in helping other birds survive in pretty cold climates. There's another spotted towhee. Got a hairy woodpecker up here. Looks like he's feeding, trying to pick some holes and find some insects. Just love these guys. They've been everywhere today. I'm back in the wooded area, and there's actually another sapsucker here. I've seen a lot of these today. Not sure what he's eating. maybe insects, or like something the birch trees are producing. I don't know. They're normally feeders of tree sap, but I mean, they will eat other things as well to supplement their diet. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned a little bit more about the birds that are around here. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you in the next video.